In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out of ChatGPT on all devices, 2026 guide. If you've used ChatGPT on a shared computer, lost a phone, or just want a clean slate, this walkthrough will help you securely end every active session tied to your account, and I'll also show you what to do if you use the API for automations. Start by opening a web browser on your desktop or phone and going to chatgpt.com. Once the page loads, open your account menu. Depending on the layout you see, that menu might be in the bottom left corner of the sidebar or in the top right corner of the screen, shown as your profile picture, initials, or a name badge. From that menu, click the Settings gear icon to open the settings window. Inside the settings modal, look to the left-hand navigation and select Security. This is where OpenAI separates security controls from general preferences. Find the option labeled Log Out of All Devices, sometimes shown as Log Out All, and click the corresponding action button. Confirm when prompted. This command is designed to revoke your sessions everywhere, not just in the browser you're currently using. Here's what happens behind the scenes. Your current session ends immediately, and you'll be returned to the main sign-in screen in this browser. However, a global revocation needs to reach every server that might be holding an active session. That propagation can take up to 30 minutes to complete across other phones, tablets, desktop apps, or background handshakes. Plan accordingly. If you're securing a misplaced device, give the system that full window before assuming everything is fully signed out. If you also use the OpenAI API through scripts or tools like Zapier, Make, or N8, and remember that a standard ChatGPT logout won't stop those API calls. To secure those, open a new tab and go to platform.openai.com. Click the Settings gear in the top right, then open your profile or API keys from the sidebar. In the platform's security area, you can choose Log Out All to end platform sessions, or you can immediately revoke specific API keys by clicking the trash can next to each secret key. API key revocation takes effect right away, so any connected automations will stop using that credential. After the global reset, any device trying to access your chats without fresh authorization will be blocked and sent back to the sign-in page. When you're ready to use ChatGPT again on your trusted devices, simply sign in anew with your email or your usual single sign-on option, such as continue with Google. That's it. Taking a moment to wipe active sessions is one of the simplest ways to protect your private prompts and keep your workspace secure when moving between shared